Hello everybody, this is Jesse with J.FINESSE Flights. Welcome back to the channel. This really is, I think this is really kind of my first open box. I do not normally do this, but this is a big deal to me. I've been in the hobby, for the drone or racing quadcopters, FPV hobby for about 2.5 years now. The first year and some change, I've been flying without goggles, just line of sight, and then I saved up the money and bought the J.FINESSE, let's see here, I don't know what these are called, but I'm sure everybody is familiar with these goggles here, the J.FINESSE. They're the ones with the DVR. I can't remember what they're called. I got a bunch of stickers all over them and stuff, you know, to try to make them look better, but they're still clunky. But anyway, they're a great goggle. They really are. They're a good goggle. They have good range on them. It is diversity receiver that's in there. It's not just antenna diversity, so they perform fairly well. Like I said, I've been flying on those for some time now, but I've always have wanted a better pair of goggles. And today, I'd ordered some a few days back. It's been 4 days. I ordered them on a Friday. Get FPV is closed Saturday, Sunday. They processed my order Monday. Today is Thursday. Yeah, today is Thursday. So, took them 4 days. Let's get this on with this and see what we got in the box. Like I said, this is kind of a big deal to me. I want to share it with you guys. Like I say, I don't normally do like an open box type of deal, so here we go. I'm sure everybody is familiar with open boxes and how lame they are, but you know, I kind of like them. There's the star of the show. Already, bam, right in your face. Also, got the Furious TrueD module, version 3.6. Let's go ahead and check that guy out. Nice little case here. Kind of like that. Get the instructions in there, as we all see. Just tells you how to use them, so forth. Some foam. Oh, looks like a 90-degree fitting and a 45-degree fitting. That's nice of them to throw in there. Ooh, it's kind of got some, so cold I guess outside. There's some moisture on these. That's a little scary. What else is, what's that? Just part of the packaging or something, but yeah, here we go. Here it is. Here's the module. May not be the best module on the market, but I like the fact that you don't need an FTDI to upload it or to download firmwares to it. So buttons protrude, as you can see here. Easy to reach, I guess, when you have your goggles on. You know, I'm not speaking from experience here because I've never owned a pair of Fat Sharks, but let's get on with it. Okay, it's a nice module. We'll see how it works later. We'll review that product here in due time. But I'm sure, as well as you guys, I'm curious for package number 2. And a little excited and a whole lot of nervous. A whole lot excited and a whole lot of nervous. There's nothing else in here. Not even a sticker or a strap or nothing. They didn't. What happened? Get FPV. You would think somebody spends, you know, $500 on something that they would throw throw in a strap or some stickers or something. No, they said screw it. Let me check the other stuff. No, nothing. I'm a sticker type of guy. I like stickers. As you can see from my other goggles. I like stickers. Why they don't throw any in there is beyond me. Alright. Here's the seam. Let's do this. Crack the seal on this baby. Okay, trying not to screw up the box. I keep my boxes too for everything. You never know, you know. Say I decide to, I have to stop flying or something. Lord forbid. I have to take a back seat to FPV for a while. I like to have the boxes to my stuff so I can store them properly. A lot of people just throw their boxes away. I mean, that's fine, you know, to each his own. But personally, I do not do that. Matter of fact, I might make this a triple review on the Race 412. As you've seen on my J.FINESSE goggles, I have the, what's that thing called? I don't even know the name of it. I done forgot. Triple feed patch in the pagoda. I tell you what, on those J.FINESSE goggles, they are phenomenal. I was inside my house and I was getting reception all the way outside and around. They were that good. Very, very good compared to what I had on there, which was just a pagoda and a omnidirectional. Wow, that's a pain to get off. Okay, there they are. Here's the nice case. Super nice case. We'll set that there. Looks like we got a little secret hatch. Oh, okay. Here's the like Velcro stuff. I think this goes on the faceplate first. It's just this Velcro type stuff with a sticky back. That goes on your faceplate, and then you have two different size pieces of foam here. And if you can see that on camera, there's the thickness of that one and then the thickness of that one. Fairly close to being the same thickness on those dudes. And then we have a QC inspection pass. It says, any issues with your product, please contact your retailer. Enjoy. I will. I'm hoping to. And looks like some directions, instruction manual. I'm assuming that's Chinglish. It's not Chinese, it's not English, it's Chinglish. And then, hey, at least they give us some stickers. Some old Fat Shark stickers. What do you think, Eden?
Yeah.
You like those?
Yeah.
We'll have to put one on your hoverboard or something maybe, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's my daughter.
That's the big one.
No, you want the big one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, now let's get to the meat and taters. Oh, it's even got a little hook thing there. Alright, guys. Drum roll.
I'm excited.
Me too, honey. Cloth for the lenses, I assume. Here's the battery case. Yep, I've got a couple of those. I've got some of those portable cell phone booster charger things. As you can see, I've already made this one for other reasons, but I have a few other ones. May have to try that out, but I think this is going to work with my goggle packs. Looks the same. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Identical. These are the J.FINESSE batteries. You can buy them for like $6 or $7. They're good. They're good batteries. They'll last 4 hours easy, 4 to 5 hours of flying. But okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like them. Module bay. They come off relatively easy. Felt like it snapped in the bottom first. Okay. Well, here they are. That looks yellow for some reason compared to the rest of it. Looks yellow. Wow. Yeah, I'm not really good at reviews like this. This would be my first time with something. This is probably the most expensive item, one-time buying item that I've ever bought right out. You know, quite a bit of fuzz from inside this container in here, so cleaning those optics may be a must. But yeah. Oh, you know the one thing, I might have to do that mod that where you take the balance lead and you wire it straight to your barrel connector on the inside of your Fat Sharks in order to use the fan with this pack here. Maybe an option that I do. But I'll just use these guys at first. This guy here, I'll use this at first. But that's something I'm looking into. Oh, and another thing I would like to do. I mean, I know it's a little. I probably won't for a while, but do the mod where you put the on and off switch in here. What's with that? I don't recognize that hole. What's that hole for? I don't remember seeing that on other people's reviews. Why is that there? Is that a head tracker module? Is that what that is? This? If anybody knows, please comment in the bottom. Maybe this one has the head tracker built in, or is that a normal feature that's on these goggles? But I've watched other people's reviews and I don't recall seeing that on the goggles. I don't know. I tell you what, it makes it that much harder to get the cover back on it. There we go. Alright guys, I hate to leave it at that, but I'm going to try these dudes out. Thanks for tuning in. Here's what I've been waiting on. Thanks for tuning in and sharing this with me. Till next time, happy flying.